Hello lovelies, this is a question I get asked a lot. How do I get the drawing from the paper to the fabric? I'm going to show you how. I use a Cricut Bright Pad Lightbox, but there are loads of other brands out there for really affordable prices online and in hobby stores. When you've printed your image, lay it on the Bright Pad. Then take your fabric, but turn it over so that it lays flat onto the paper, and here you've got the inside of the back. This is the one we're going to draw on. This is going to be our correct side. Turn your Lightbox on and you're going to need a fabric pen. You can use either a heat erasable one or you can use a washable one. I like heat erasable. You can get rid of that with an iron or even a hairdryer. You're going to hold this in place and then you are going to draw the image. I'm going to fast forward through this next bit, otherwise we'll be here all day. But you're going to basically just draw the outline of your pattern. You don't have to use a fabric pen, but just remember that anything else will not come out of the fabric, and that's really important. Okay, turn the Lightbox off, don't need that anymore, and we are now going to take the fabric out of the hoop and turn it over, and we are going to be sewing on the side with the drawing on. Right, now we're going to put our fabric back into the hoop, but with the drawing on the top now. This is what we're going to sew onto. So place your fabric, drawing side up, onto the hoop, and then we're going to put the outer hoop on. It doesn't need to be perfectly in the centre. We can adjust that when we're finished. But we're just going to tighten the hoop and then we're going to go around gently pulling the fabric so that it's nice and taut and ready for sewing on. It should sound like a little drum when you tap on it, but it needs to be taut because otherwise you'll get wrinkles or ripples or puckers. So just pull it nice and taut and make sure that hoop is as tight as possible. There are a couple of other methods of getting your image onto your fabric, but this is how I mainly do it. If you don't have a Lightbox, you can use a tablet, but I will be putting some other methods up shortly. Happy stitching.